And tell us one strategy on being successful in real estate investing.
The most critical step, I would say, is in addition to education, of course, is networking, connecting with other people, and finding the niche for yourself and concentrating on that one specific niche, whether you're active or passive, doesn't matter, but select the niche within the route that's good for you and study that niche inside out until you feel absolutely comfortable investing and taking action within that niche. I think that's the most critical component, and I think that's the reason why a lot of people don't take action, is because they don't fully educate themselves, and that's what's stopping them from taking action.
I love that. And what would you say is one daily practice